What's up? We are at the signatures today for the coffee and classics. It's gonna be an interesting day. I'm gonna show you the classic cars that are here in Zimbabwe, and you see me, I'm giving you the alpha, everything that you need to know what's happening here in Zimbabwe. So stay tuned. This is my favorite snack. I don't like snacks. I'm afraid of snacks. The only snacks that I eat are snacks, real snacks. Get it? And also this Cobra 500 GT here. Wow, it's amazing. It's a beauty to watch. We're looking at the timeless machine, which is a Benz. Look at this. It's a classic Benz, and we're at the coffee and classics, seeing all these classic cars. And yeah, it's a good club. People are meeting and they're enjoying life and socialize. You know how it is, bro. So yeah, look at this beautiful VW right there, bruh. Amazing stuff. Super duper. It looks clean and looks like the owner takes good care of it. Wow, what a beauty. We're just enjoying the classic cars and the culture is so rich. And the club, they have classic cars, they just showcasing and meeting up. And yeah, I'm just seeing the other side of things here at this side.